What is the key to live the perfect life? We always think there is a lot to manage in order to live your dream life. If we look around, we see consultants, life coaches, teachers, fitness trainers, yogis. They all explain to us how it works, but somehow it is always quite complicated and difficult. Well, we have the perfect solution for you. Our concept is based on 4 pillars that are in harmony with each other. Your health, managing your body and soul. Your mission, to understand your body needs. Your environment, establishing a healthy relationship with your loved ones. Your financial freedom, understanding the monetary system. Everything in nature works with a specific mildness. It's up to you to choose the right way. Life is light and has to be as simple as possible, but not simpler. Join the Light Life Club and make your life a masterpiece.